Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is May the 25th, 2022. We're going to talk about Snapchat today, or the stock ticker SNAP, SNAP. The CEO of Snapchat warns on his earnings as to what to expect now for the company. Hey, I warned you all the way back here on April the 24th that the stock was weak. You guys can see it right now in front of you. I was predicting that the market in Snapchat was going to fall. So for us to see the market actually fall 43%, I mean, to many, it may caught some people off guard. But for me, it didn't catch me off guard because I was actually expecting the price to fall in Snapchat all the way back here in the beginning of April, or towards the ending of April, right? So now I wanted to come in and update you all as to what to look forward to in Snapchat. Now, I know you guys are going to see videos now after the market has fell 43%. You will see videos out here with the title posing is now Snapchat a buy. You're going to start seeing all these videos. Is now the price of Snapchat at attractive price to where you want to come in and buy the dip? Let's take a look at the chart. Now, before I do, to those who are new and you appreciate my videos, my content, make sure you hit that like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to my channel. All right, because I want you all to understand that you don't need to do due diligence. Only thing you need to do is come through and look at the battleground, and the price chart is the battleground. The price chart is the record of what everyone is trying to do in the stock. Everyone. So when you come in and look at the price chart, all of these big institutions, all of these hedge funds that has the algorithm that's running the trades for them, guess what? It's recorded, and the price chart is the record of what everyone is trying to do. So I want you all to understand that you don't have to come in and spend 45 minutes on a video just to listen to somebody else give you their opinion. The price chart is no one's opinion. The price chart is the truth of what everyone has already acted upon, whether they sold or whether they bought. Understand that the price chart is that record. So make sure you hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel, because I want you all to continually see this. I've been on these YouTube streets for a while, and I've been documenting all of my price predictions and showing you the results every time I come back and do an update video. So you guys can say that this is not a fluke, that it's impossible for you to predict where prices are going to go. Well, everyone needs to come and see my videos then. So look at this right there, April the 24th. I was already expecting the price in Snapchat to go down. I was already there. I had my ultimate TP area around $24. That's 19.25% movement to the downside. Now, initially, the market buyers held price around 22. Okay. So even if you were to take the profitability there, that would have given you 26% right there. Now you guys can see from the price action yesterday, the market has completely crashed all the way down here to $12.85. That's 56% downside movement from when I did my video. If anything, if you would have saw my video back in April, you would have known not to come in and buy this stock right now. I warned you in April that Snapchat was going to go down, even though the CEO warned of the future estimates of his company yesterday. But I was ahead of him. I gave you a heads up way before he even came into the market, because he didn't want to let the negativity out in the market, because you'll get this type of result where the market falls 43%. So I want to say congratulations. If you also predicted that the market in Snapchat was going to go down, you did a fantastic job. Kudos. Yeah, I want to give you all a hand clap, because you're actually winning against all of your other opponents in the market. We all have one agenda, and that is to make money. Everybody. So in order for us to make money, it means that we have to take money from somebody else. So congratulations to those who took someone else's money. Now, the whole environment has changed in Snapchat. Yeah. You're going to start hearing videos again to where they want you to come in and buy the market and hold for the next 15 years. Okay, good luck. Because the market buying in Snapchat may be over. In the next 10 years, we might just get some market action like this. to where Snapchat just bounces, right? Continues to bounce. We won't see the opportunity for the market in Snapchat to go from $5.25 all the way up there to 83. 1,480% from low to high is what Snapchat has went through. 1,480%. We may not even get that again. I'm just saying. Okay. So now, let's go ahead and zoom in now, because now we are in a different area of price. Okay. To many, the question is this a buying opportunity? No, it's not. You don't need to come in and try to rush and buy the market in Snapchat anymore, because the downside movement is definitely intact and entrenched. We started it right here. This is where the initial selling started. Somebody knew that Snapchat was going to be trading around $13 today. So they was like, hey, let me go ahead and get out my position while the prices trade around $68 to $80, because I know that the value in Snapchat is not going to maintain its price up here. So let me get out. So those who sold the market in Snapchat back there in October of last year, they left with a big bag, because now the price is down around $12, $13. Now I want you all to see this, because the market buyers may try to approach Snapchat here, right? But we have seen such a massive decline in price recently. We'll be crazy to think that that's the stoppage though, right? This 3-weekly price chart resembles that we have a lot lower to go. So we need to focus our attention past $12 and begin to look at the market coming here, okay, to like $10.50. We're going to stair step our way down, because there's a lot of weakness in the market for Snapchat. $10.50 is my first level. My next level is going to be right there around 8. Okay. Now, given how swift and how fast the price fell in Snapchat, I wouldn't even be surprised in the long term that the market make all-time lows. The all-time low was down there around $5.25. I wouldn't even be surprised for us to go down that low and test it again, given the amount of weakness that is here. Right? Look at that. This is the 5-month chart. This is where that weakness started. Look at that. 5 months ago, well, what, 10 months ago? We should have noticed that something wasn't right in Snapchat. Because now you guys can see. Okay. So now let me hit this back over to a daily time frame. I'm going to be weak into the market. Like, this is not a buying opportunity. There's too much fear. This move to the downside, 43%, has caught a lot of people off guard. Now, again, let's say we were to get a bounce, okay, at $12, and the market begins to go up. Okay, cool. This is not one of those hold the long-term play though. If you buy the market at $12 and you begin to see price lift, then I would definitely be careful and be prepared to take some profitability off the table around maybe $16 to $18, right? But the long-term view is definitely not one of bullishness. All right. So now, let me go ahead and put this prediction on, because I'm not looking for the price in Snapchat to go up. Okay. Until we see the market in Snapchat break above 16. If we see the market break above 16, then we understand that the potential for the market to hit 18 to 20 is becoming more apparent. But until that time, that 43% drop, people know something. Those who do their due diligence know something. So I'm going to look for the price in Snapchat, first of all, to go down to $10.50, right? That's my first price target, $10.50. That gives us what, 17 0.69% profitability there. My second one is going to be down here towards 8. That gives us 37, almost 38% movement to the downside again. Okay. So now let me bring this over a little bit closer so we can continue to keep track as to what we're expecting the market in Snapchat to do. Okay. Now that's it. I'm in position. I'm looking for the market to continue to fall. 10.50 is my first price target. $8 is my second. Again, long term, don't think that it can't happen that the market in Snapchat trades below all-time lows in the long term. All right, things has changed. The market environment in Snapchat has drastically changed. This is what a bear market look like to those who are new into the investing or trading world. When the market switches, you need to switch right alongside with it. And if you're not looking to hold these stocks for the next 6,000 years, then you might just want to hold the cash until the market becomes a buying opportunity again. Now, give me your thoughts. Give me your premise. Tell me when you all think the market in Snapchat is going to go next. All right. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.